Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So guys, today I'm starting the vlog from my parents' place. As usual, I came to visit them. It's one of my traditions. So I'm here to visit my parents. And I ordered something from Jumia, and yesterday in the evening I received a notification that it's ready for pickup. So I'm going to the Jumia pickup station to pick it up. And hopefully I'll take you guys with me. And the reason why what I ordered is a phone holder or phone tripod. I don't know how to call it. But the reason why I ordered this is because when I'm filming on the countertop, usually I try to lower the height of my tripod, and it has, it is beginning to somehow damage the tripod, the silver painting along. I'll show you guys. And it's not that I never used to have a phone tripod stand. I used to have it, but what I had was a flexible tripod stand, and I think it wasn't the right quality, so it got broken. Therefore, I needed a new one. So yeah guys, I'm back. This is what I got from the pickup station from Jumia. The name of the seller is somewhere here. So let's unbox it and see the phone tripod side. So this is what is inside. The box looks quite old. I think it is being there for a while. So the first thing is this one. And then this one is heavy. Wow. Oh, I read the reviews and it was quite great. And indeed, looking at it, the quality of it, I can tell is very good. And then this last one here. So the box is empty. So we're going to have to fix it like this. And then I'm going to read the manual to see what to do with this. And I believe this is what's going to hold the phone. So yeah guys, this is what I got. These are the items that are in it. So my son is sleeping now, so you guys can hear any child's voice. My son is right here with me. So yeah, this is all about the thing. Don't know how to call Bible order. Okay. And you don't know my was it? Mamma, there was soon be as a for my kind. Was something or Jenny or Baba the other. Was it by a Sadama? Prince by all your friend Prince. Prince by him. Ah, I could come in it. Yes,
Okay, you didn't come over here, Mamma. Me call. My brother was again.
Obi okay to me.
Mama, we have to tell you to do me.
Obi okay to me.
I mean, can't come back at 10 million. Baba, so yes, and was Emily, I told you. That Emily, when I'm not good. Hey, hello, Mama, my departure. Maybe that's what I don't this one.
Baby, so guys, my mom and I are going to the market. That's my mom. I say hello, Chef Vlogger.
Hello.
Okay, so we are on our way out to do some local shopping. So as we are going, I don't know whether I'll film in the market. It's too crowded over there, so I don't think I'm going to film. But I might give you a little clip. So let's go to the market.